Clockmaker and CNES expert, Jacques Neve has always held a fascination for mechanisms and decorative arts. Graduate of the Sydney Institute of Technology, the best watchmaking school in the Southern Hemisphere, he has been selling, restoring, and expertising clocks for the last 25 years. Now settled in Belgium, he's glad to present a remarkable twin-dial skeleton clock made by Hubert Sarton of Liége around 1805, and to introduce one of the finest clockmakers of his time. Standing on a double D black marble base with ormolu turned feet and bezels, it shows a large enamel main dial with Arabic numerals for the hours, the 15-minute markers, and the 31-day calendar with finely cut blued steel hands of a Lépine design. The center-sweeping seconds hand beating the half seconds and doing a full turn in half a minute, a typical Sarton feature. The subsidiary dial shows moon phases and age of the moon. Both dials are surrounded with midnight blue and gold stars. All wheels are made with very fine crossing out, the external ones in a typical Sarton style. Pinwheel escapement is mounted upside down, and the fact that the knife-edge suspension is placed at the bottom of the movement elevates the whole and gives the clock a real feeling of lightness. Skeleton clocks were much sought after by wealthy amateurs who were interested in clocks and science and who loved high-precision clocks with calendar functions, lune and others, and apparent mechanisms. Having successfully advanced all branches of his trade, Hubert Sarton, this able mechanic dedicated to the art of horology, became a master of his art, as the exceptional quality and great refinement of this masterpiece skeleton clock demonstrate.